Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to remove a watermark from a picture, just like the one you see on your screen. Don't worry, it's very easy to do and only requires a few clicks. Just follow the steps I tell you. The first step is to go to your favorite search engine, as I am doing on Google, then search for watermarkremover.io. I will also provide the link in the video description. After that, you will see the Upload Image button. Click on it, then select the image you want to remove the watermark from. Once done, you'll see that the watermark has been successfully removed and the image is ready to download. Finally, just click the Download button. Keep in mind that they only allow a few tries without signing in. To remove more watermarks, you need to sign in. It's very easy. You can see the sign up option in the top right corner, then click on it and then choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account and click on Continue. Now you can enjoy removing more watermarks from your images. If it works for you, which it definitely will, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it gives me the motivation to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching until the end.